Alright guys, so today we're going to do something a little bit more different. Yesterday, during my lunch hour, decided to get something for the got myself a performance filter. I would say all I wanted to do is the whoosh sound from the turbo, so I'm going to do that real quick and get to it. It's dirty. Alright, let's see what this thing has inside. I don't think it's oiled yet, so I have to do that real quick. Alright, so this filter I got at O'Reilly's. You have certain plastic rings that you could insert or take off according to your measurements on your housing through the piping, or in my case the mass airflow. So I'm gonna check that out real quick. Install this guy. Alright, so I got this cleaning kit for the XRS, so I'm just going to use that for this filter. I'm just going to oil it real quick and slap it right in. What? You want a hot dog?
Yeah.
For breakfast?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you don't want to tighten up these clamps too much because you will break them. So just tighten them up by the screwdriver. These guys don't have to be crazy nuts tight. I've had my fair share of breaking a couple of these clamps. Always throw away your trash. Alright, let's start it up. So here's the deal. I did the brakes on my wife's truck a little while ago, but I never noticed that I actually started using Parts Plus brakes, and I thought they gave me the good kind, but it actually was the copper brake pads, and they're just horrible. They messed up the rotor, so now I had to get new rotors for the fact that every time you step on the brake, the steering wheel just wobbles and wobbles. So what I did was basically got new rotors and good brake pads, so everything I got the best, so I could just not worry about it anymore. So you get what you pay for, and unfortunately I didn't notice that I got the cheapest brakes, so now I have to pay the price to do it all over again. So it is what it is, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I didn't record this part, but these bolts were really hard to take off for the caliper bracket, so I had to heat it up real quick, and sure enough I got it off, cracked it loose. Get this guy out of the way. Good to go. Alright guys, so there it is, all finished up. It really didn't take much to do so. So it's really simple. I mean, I was expecting it not to be that dramatic, so it's actually not that bad. It's just more than enough, I would say. It is. I just wanted to hear a little bit something fun, if you catch my drift, you know, and not being loud and annoying. But that's what I did. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm almost done with this thing, what I have to do. So once I'm done doing the last caliper, and which I'm working on right now, I'll start editing that video so you guys can see. Which is going to take a little bit of a while because I have some stuff going on for this weekend as far as, you know, side jobs, so that's going to keep me busy. So stay tuned, and again, greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that bell if you guys want to, and greatly appreciate it in the long run. Thanks guys, catch you later.